Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to reinstall Windows 11 without losing your data. I am currently on a Windows 11 system. I have placed a sample folder on this desktop and a sample file to show that these files are not deleted even after reinstall. I also want to ensure that the build number does not change after the reset process. So if you are on any specific build number, you will stay on that and you will not be downgraded or upgraded, and you remain on the same Windows build. Okay, so let's proceed with the reinstallation process. Go to system and then recovery. Under recovery, you have reset this PC heading. Under recovery options, simply click on the reset PC button. Now in the next window, you have to carefully choose keep my files option. In the next window, you can choose a preference depending upon your system. So you can either select cloud download or you can also select local reinstall. In this example, I selected local reinstall. Then click next. Then review the settings. You can see that here resetting will change settings back to their default. So any settings you have configured, you have to reconfigure that. After reinstall, all the personal files will be retained. No personal files will be deleted. This means data will not be affected. Reinstall Windows from this device. And lastly, we have remove all apps and programs. So some of the apps you have installed will be removed, and you can review the list of those apps here. Click on the view apps that will be removed. So here is the list of apps that will be removed with this reinstall. In case if you do not want to lose any app, just backup its license key so that you can reinstall it back later and activate it. Once you acknowledge this information, click on the reset button. So here you can see that reset process has been started and this device will automatically restart. This preparing phase will move to around 100%. So this will take some time. So few moments later, you can say that it is currently at 53%. Few moments later, it restarted. After this automatic restart, you will see please wait screen, and then you can see the progress of reset. So resetting this PC will continue up to 100%, and this may take time depending upon your system specifications. So few moments later, it restarted. And then it goes to preparing mode. So the reset process has been completed and now it is installing back the operating system. So the installation process may go from 0 to 100%. Again, after few moments later, this process is about to reach 100%. And once it reaches to 100%, you will be taken directly to the lock screen. So you can see that you can use the earlier created account to log into your system because your account is not affected with the reinstall process. So you can use the same credentials or PIN login to access your account. After login, you will see this first time sign in animation since you are signing in for the very first time after reinstall. This may take a while to complete. Once it is completed, you are landed to the desktop. So the reinstallation process has been completed here. You can see that my desktop size is now shrink because the settings I have configured using settings app are removed. So I have to reconfigure those settings. However, You can see that the sample folder and sample file is here. This means the data is not affected and they are same on the desktop. So any personal data you have on the system will not be affected with the reinstallation process. Also we have here the list of removed apps in the PDF format. You can open the list of removed apps and reinstall back those apps which were removed with the reinstallation process. So this is how you can reinstall Windows 11 without losing your data. In case if you have any question about this method, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.